In this video, we're going to convert a recurring decimal to a fraction. I'm going to do this using an algebraic method. So the first thing I can see is that in my decimal, there is a dot above the 1 and a dot above the 3. Now what this tells me is that it's the whole of 1, 2, 3 that is repeated. So where the dots lie, they tell you which section of the decimal repeats. So in this case, it's actually the whole between 1 and 3 that repeats again and again and again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this decimal equal to x. And this is my first point. X is equal to 0.123, and so on and so forth. Now what I need to do next is I need to multiply this by a multiple of 10, so 10, 100, 1000, etc., to be able to create a new number that has the same pattern of decimal places. So for example, if I was to multiply by 10, I'd get 1.23. That wouldn't be the same pattern that I have now. So instead, I'm going to multiply it by 1,000. So if I do that to the left-hand side, I'm going to get 1,000x. And if I do that to the right-hand side, I'm going to get 123.123. And you see that pattern is the same. Straight after the decimal point, I've got a 1, just like I had with the 1x. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract one from the other. So I'm going to do 1000x minus 1x. Now what's going to happen is because the decimals are the same, they're going to cancel out, and that's going to leave you 123 on the right-hand side. Now I'm going to simplify this. So 1000x minus 1x is 999x. So now I need to divide by 999 to leave x on its own. And you can see what we're doing there is we're turning x into a fraction. So x was originally our decimal. It's now a fraction. Last thing I need to do is simplify this. Both of these numbers are divisible by 3. It's actually going to simplify to 41 over 333.